Hello, my name is Anel. I am 16. I am a student of Vyacheslav Secondary School. My project is called Growing of Green in the Basement of the Vertical Placement Method using the phytolighting. The main idea of my project is cultivation of ecologically pure greens. Lettuce, rucola, basil, with the creation of vertical beds, soil systems, as well as the establishment of normal light regime using phyto lamps. To create an effective system of cultivation of the greens basement conditions, I propose the establishment of a 3-meter special bed equivalent to the length of a plastic pipe. The base was made from aluminium profiles, which are fixed in such a way to effectively use of every inch of space to ensure maximum comfort light regime. For normal light operation mode requires special underground greenhouses basement phytolighting lamps with a power of 170 watt. The light level is 1300 lux. That's enough to create a normal light regime, ensuring the growth and development of plants.
Все.